Hello, Ronan. Hello, everybody. Well, folks, it's all kicking off back here. Limmy says, "Rope, how is it kicking off?" Oh, folks, just mixing this up. Just mixing it up. I know this is a cheap lot of shite. The union's falling apart. I've been reading, nothing's been happening. Hello folks, hello everybody. Hello Genalis, me Claire, Giraffification. This isn't me solving, this is me mixing it up right now in case you're like, fucking hell, look at the speed of them. Hello everybody. You're looking a lot fresher and healthier today. No, I'm not looking down like that, my fucking skin falling off. Look. Kiss. It's like my skin's became fucking detached for the... It's like there's no muscle. It's like there's no muscle, it's just bone then skin. I'm not too old for Ibiza, man. I'm not too old for Ibiza. Leaning near the balcony at one of these clubs like that. Is that right down there, aye? Any ectos? Right. Music in that place down there's shite. Here, hold on to get this tweeted. Right. Right, here we go. That fucking... Come on, fuck, man. Come on, don't be like that. Right. See that, is it You Don't Know Me by, is it Armin van Helden? I don't like that song. Right, would you say that's adequately mixed up? Would you say that's adequately mixed up? I'd say that's adequately mixed up. Right, here we go. Right, mix up. Right, let's see if I can solve this off the top of my head. This is what I've been doing on my holidays. This is what I've been doing on my holiday. It's rigged, is it? Is it? Right, let's see, right, here we go, right. Now here's what I've learned. Start with the white. Start with the white. And I don't want to fuck this up. When I say start with the white, you'll think, is it that easy? Right. Let's see. blue. Now what I've got to try not, I've been doing really well at this. I've got no the pressure's on though, and I've got to make sure I don't let you rush me. Red, right, some here, there. Orange and red in there. Right. Right. Alright, now bring it around here. And then I'm going to complete this white face. That's white. Bring it around here. That's that. Bring it up here. Right. Orange, green. Right. And blue, orange and white. And right, so there's that whole bit done. There we go. Right, now next bit is green and orange. Right, so we'll do the second layer, which is take that away. Green and orange here. Put it away. And then blue and red, put it here, that there. It's a whole set too. Right. Why is he looking up? Because I'm thinking. No. Something there, and then go. And do that. Oh, put it back. Right. And then I've got this right, am I doing this the right way? I don't know. Finally they play a good tune. Right, now I think this is it, right, to do this. I might fuck this up here, These fucking youngsters know about fucking good life. These youngsters know about fucking inner city. Go and fuck it up, listen. I'll do a longer version. Better fuck this up. What's some long version? Right, hold on. Where's the planet tape? Yeah. Fucked up as usual. You hear that? Let me take you to a place I know you wanna go. It's meant to do. Fucked up. As usual. You're just waiting. You're waiting for it to the bit. The fucking drop or whatever you want to call it, the bit, the fucking, let me take you to a place I know you wanna go. It's a good life, you know, the whole, and it's they changed it. Right, don't fuck this up. Right, I think you go here, there, down, there, down, down. No, is that right? I think it is. Right, now. What I do now is, are any of these? That's right. Right, so what I do here now is I do I do it again. I go Looks good to me. And then I do That's how you do it, man. That's how you do it, man. Ha ha ha. Yes, man. There we fucking go, man. That's how it's done, man. That's how it's done, man. I do it one more time. One more time, right? I'll do a stream later tonight, right? I'll do it on right. Right. It's actually hard to mix it up. I'll mix the middle bit, swap that a bit, do the edges a bit. Bet he watched a video to do this. How did I pause it? How did I pause it? How did I pause the video? Have I got my... How am I doing it? I've got my finger, I've got my toe on a wee button that skips back to the bit that I need to... 100% fake, he's just playing the video backwards. Is this pre-recorded or is this live? No, this is live though. Button trick says Lunar Lots. Robbie says I thought it was all by chance. He's obviously memorised that's how you do a Rubik's Cube. Aye, there's a technique to it. I'm not interested in looking at it and going, no, I think to get that there, I think the best thing to do. Would you like these clamps to do in like 10 seconds? These folk that do it in 10 seconds, these ones that go like that. Have you ever seen them? Look on YouTube, there's folk that can get it for that. No matter what you put in front of them, they can go like that. And then they drop it, that's it, done. Yeah. Right, so I've got time for one there. Right, that's it. Right, that's mixed up. Would you say that's mixed up enough? No. No. Oh! What was that dotted outline? Something came up one of the chat had a dotted outline. By the way, if anybody's subscribed or donated or cheered the day, yesterday, I can't see it come up. Aye, how'd you do that, Robbie? What's that? How you doing that? Sammy Abam, how you doing that? Orange names, right? How's everybody able to do that? Tier 4 subscription. I've done it in 19 seconds. Oh! Some weird restrictions on the chat. We've hacked the chat. Oh well. Right. Right. Right, so here we go. Right. I'd say that's mixed up enough. I mean, that's kind of there, but I'll mix it up. There you go. Right, here we go. Here we go. Right. 1030 GH says he's done it in 19 seconds. I want to see that. Or anything even close to that. Get a speed cube, Limmy. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. Right. Where are we? Right, let's try it again. Don't fuck it up. Don't fuck it up. Right. This is kind of no mixed up that much because look, it's already got that. These sides are alright. Still alright. Still alright. It can still fuck up like any other one. Green, white, orange. Could fuck up just like anything else. Run here. It's the wrong bit, idiot. Wait. Go. Aye, right. What's that? Orange. Right. Right, so that's that. And then right. Blue and orange. How did I get that out again? What did I just do? What? Right, put that away. There. Right, and then. Right, and then. Green and orange. Right, that's that, 2 layers. And then, right, so here, I think, yeah. But no, yellow. You're doing the wrong thing. That's it. Do that there, and then that there. That's it. And then do it again. There. That's it. Right. Right, that's that. Right, now you do that. Orange cross down. Oh, and then, oh shit. That's alright. You're alright. And then, am I doing this the right way? fuck, look. Right, that's... Right, stop what you're doing, stop what you're doing. You've got the cross, right, you've got the cross. Right, that's the right bit, that's the right bit. See if there's any way you can get in the right bit. That's the right bit. One's in the right bit. Two are in the right bit, right, so put them into the right. And then you do right, up, left, up, right, down, left, down. Is that right? No. Do it again. Do it again, that's the wrong. That's the right, that's the right. Right, up, left, up, right, down, left, down. Is that the right bit? Am I doing the right fucking... Shit, what? Am I doing the right... Blue, right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Right, up, right, down, left, down. How's it looking? Do it again, do it again. Right, up, left, up, right, down, left, down. That song's fucking terrible. What am I? Is this the bit you do that thing? This is not, this is the ring, but you're doing the ring bit. That's like, watch, put that right there and then down, and then left, and up, and then left, down. That's it. Ah, you did it, I did the ring, I was doing the ring bit. Right, I've got it now. Right. Everything's in the right bit. The bit in the right bit. That's in the right bit. Keep that one on the right, and then you do right, up, right, down, left, down. That's the right one. That's... Do it again. Right, up, right, down. Did you just fuck that up? No, that's the right bit, that's the right bit, that's the right bit, that's the right bit. Right, now you do that. Right. There you fucking go, man. In. There you go. There it is. There you go. There you go. There you go. That's what I've been up to in my holiday. That's what I've been up to in my holiday. Air trips, an inspiring dementia story, correct? So I'll be going out for dinner tonight. Rogue mod. What's that? Rogue mod mode. What's happening with the mods? What's happening? Shandy says, I'm the rogue mod, an accidental application of sub-only chat. Shandy, how did you accidentally do that? How could you accidentally do that? What buttons could you possibly press? Did make you accidentally do that? What were you aiming for? Shandy. I can only see about 2 people. Anybody know? Can anybody answer? Because I can only see 3 names at any one time. I actually accidentally typed in chat rather than pressed the button. What did you do? What did you accidentally type, Shandy? It's just so that I can make sure it doesn't happen again. I mean, what else has been done, maybe? What else has maybe been done? I changed it back because I'm the people's champion. Did 10:30 JH have to change it back? Did Shandy not know how to do it? Nothing else has been done, to be fair. I'll ask again, Shandy, what was it you actually typed that made it happen? Rather than answering a different question that wasn't asked, can you answer that? Please answer that. I had no clue. Shandy, what was it? I don't know what you had no clue about. If you said I have no clue, then you don't know what's caused it. When you're saying you had no clue, it's as if you're thinking I asked you a different question, and because you've already answered the question that I didn't ask, it's making me think that you're doing it again. Well, I can't fucking type it, else it'll happen again. You're right, you can't type. I'm a wee bit worried here. Limit, if I type it again, it will redo it. If I type it again, no, don't type it again. I mean, just describe it. What we attempting to do? I'm not going it. Right. If you had a wee So fair to say, Shandy, you don't know what happened, you don't know what you typed, you don't know what's going on. I'm mortal, lad, we're all mortal. The common denominator here is we're all mortal. You're not asking anybody to be immortal, I'm just asking for people to know to put subscriber chat only on and to know how they did it. I type /sub and then me. Why did you do that? What do you mean? You wanted to try /sub me? I see. So what's the sub thing? The stream's cutting out, aye. When everyone was doing that, right. Wanted to be cool. What's that? I don't get the sub thing. Why did you do sub though? Can I ask mods not to experiment? Can I ask all my mods, to know